Is it rolling? Yeah, it's rolling! It's rolling! It's rolling! Kung matagal ka na sa YouTube journey mo, or if you're really serious in pursuing YouTube, I am very sure na marami ka ng tip videos na napanood, but sadly, no, ang hirap nilang i-implement sa channel. Or they talk about in investing more equipments or investing on more equipments. But in this video, I would share to you two main things that you can do in under 2 minutes that would greatly affect your YouTube watch time and your audience retention if you're interested with that. And this is really very easy, no? Keep on watching!
This is your channel.
Hello! Welcome sa inyong channel! My name is Patrick and my passion is to help you grow your channel, and I do that with sharing you with YouTube tips, weekly live streams, and YouTube finance. So help yourself grow your channel by clicking the subscribe button, pati na rin yung bell. Select all para ikaw yung unang ma-notify at pag maglalabas tayo ng video na makakatulong sa YouTube journey mo. So my question is, paano mo sinisimulan yung video mo and paano mo rin tinatapos? I would guess.
Is it an intro? Or you would tell your viewers that please like, subscribe, and keep on watching.
Or music na isang 1 minute na intro. Diyos ko po. Tapos ano pa? Paano mo tinatapos yung mga video mo?
Please guys, like, subscribe, and check out all my videos this channel.
Please, stop doing that! Instead, do this. Pero before that, no, I would explain to you what is watch time. What is audience retention? Watch time basically is nanonood ba ng diretso yung mga viewers mo sa mga videos mo? Tinatapos ba nila yung videos mo? Or ito yung mas matindi dyan, pag natapos ba nila yung video mo, magka-click pa sila ng other videos mo kasi interesting. And why is that important? Pag nangyari yun, kung naiikot sila dun sa binge watching na tinatawag, then that would give YouTube a great sign na these videos are very good. These videos, you need to promote them to viewers that are looking for this particular topic. And pag nangyari yun, magba-viral yung videos mo. So you need to do the things that I would share to you right now.
Run.
Now, in terms of audience retention, kung ngayon mo palang narinig yung word na yan, I made a separate video about that, no? So please, click on this video. Pero bago yun, tapusin mo muna yung video na to kasi sobrang bilis lang nito and very implementable sa channel mo. And then, balikan mo yung portion na to. Then, please click on this video na I would link sa taas. Or better yet, I would link all those videos sa description box. So, please, check them out. So, again, pakiusap ko, don't start your videos with your intro na is 1 minute. Or don't start your video
Na you tell your viewers na like, subscribe, and check out this channel.
before giving value to them. Again, the keyword is giving value, meaning content is king pa rin. Naalala nyo ba kung ano yung sinabi ko in starting this video? I said the things that you would learn from this video, and I also said why you need to watch this at the end, and that is my first pointer, no? Again, this is very implementable and sobrang dali lang nito. Less than 2 minutes, kayang-kaya mo to. Again,
Tell your audience what they will get from your video and bakit kailangan nilang tapusin ito.
I hope nakatulong yon, and please implement this.
And stop putting 1-minute intros on your videos. Agree ba tayo doon?
So if this video is helping you, can I ask a simple favor? Please hit the like button.
For YouTube algorithm! If you don't know YouTube algorithm, please put in the comment kung gusto mong malaman yung tungkol doon, and I would
Definitely do a video about that.
and also paki-include na din yung mga bagay na gusto mong malaman, and
I would make sure na I reply to every comment that I see on the comment section.
And speaking of comment section, shout out to the comment winner. Mag-comment ka sa video na to para ikaw yung comment winner sa next episode.
Run.
So now na alam mo na kung paano umpisahan yung mga videos mo, ano naman Kuya Pat yung ilalagay ko dun sa middle? Nakita mo ba yung ginawa ko just a second ago?
Gayahin mo lang yun. Ganun kasimple.
Kung nagbigay ka ng value dun sa unahan ng video mo, ngayon
Sure mo na yung damdamin ng audience mo.
ngayon may connection ka na sa kanila. So, might as well use that. Use call to action, meaning kumbinsihin mo sila
Bakit kailangan nilang
click ng like
din sa video mo? Or
na kailangan nilang mag-subscribe kasi they will get more value if they're watching more of your videos kasi pinagpaguran mo yan, so i-promote mo na lang din. You're making like a commercial dun sa gitna ng video mo kasi para mapahinga din yung brains nila, diba? Para yung info na binigay mo sa kanila mag-sink in. And napaka-importante nito, please make them comment on your videos. So
kung ikaw ay nanonood nito, please comment on this. Comment, no? Kasi I really value that and YouTube values that.
to gain more watch time, encourage your viewers to comment. And baguhin natin yung culture sa YouTube na 2,000 yung viewers, 20 yung commenters.
Again, for me, I reply to every single one na nagko-comment sa video ko. So if you want us to be close, mga ganyan, please comment on this video.
Again, that is less than 2 minutes na pwede mong i-apply sa YouTube videos mo. I hope you're getting value with this, no?
Pero hindi pa tayo tapos. Sasabihin ko pa sa'yo kung paano mo tatapusin yung mga videos mo. Okay? Gets?
Run.
Kuya Patrick, paano ko tatapusin yung mga videos ko? Good question. Again, I would explain to you watch time, no? More watch time, sabi ng iba, pag mas mahaba yung mga videos ko, meaning, mas marami yung watch time ko. Partly, tama. Pero paano kung hindi tinatapos ng mga audience mo, yung mga videos mo? Kung nabobore sila sa videos mo, again, what I said on my audience retention video, cut out unnecessary things. Cut out yung mga hindi importante. And focus on giving value to your audience. Yan talaga yung pinakamahalaga dyan. Give value to your audience and make your videos as long as they need to be, but as short as they possibly can. And ito yung pinakamahalaga. And with this, tell your audience why they need to watch more of your videos. Ano yung magiging benefit nila pag kinlik nila yung video na nilalagay mo sa end screen mo? Why they need to subscribe? Ano yung value na makukuha nila? Again, ulit-ulit, pero the most important thing in doing your videos is giving value to your audience. Now that you've learned,
Do you want to know one more secret in growing in YouTube?
if you want that, please click on the video you are seeing right now because I am confident that if you do that, your YouTube journey will be easier, your growth would be faster. Salamat sa panonood mo and God bless sa'yo. Okay, tapos na tayo.